Alright guys, so today we're doing something a bit different. We're in the countryside. So we've gone inland a bit, we're on the MACQUARIE River there. So we've got the fire pit set up, we're just about to set up. But it's been bucketing down rain, we've sort of got a bit of a dry spot. So we're going to set the gazebo up just in case it does rain, and then we're going to set our swag up and get sort of sorted. So that's the view there. It's pretty awesome. But we've got a dry break, so I'm not going to muck around. I'm going to get the tripod up, start setting up. You guys can see the whole thing, and then we're going to be cooking up a decent feed later on tonight. So I'll have it on the fire, etc., and everything else. Hank's out there having a little look around too. So Hanko, what you doing, me boy? So he's in his element, but stay tuned. So, setup done, beer on, as you can see. I haven't really told you my setup yet, but I got the Darche Nebula for my swag. I've also got the canvas double sleeping bag. You guys can see that in there. That's a -5 degreeer. I've got a -4 Mudgee. I think it's a Coleman, just as a sheet. Just normal pillows, obviously, not worried about that. And then we've got some kindling. The firewood's really wet, but it's vintage hardwood, so it should be okay. And then obviously we got the gazebo today. Just because of the rain, we thought it might work out, but I'm going to put the media thing on so the sound's a bit better. That's my next thing after I show you this. And then we've got a little portable shower. So that's the ensuite tent. The rechargeable shower, I believe, is somewhere. I'll show you before I have a shower. So it's either in here or somewhere else, but I'll show you before I have it. But it's a handy little thing. You take this little water tub with you, you can have a shower. So anywhere, it's perfect. So there it is there, Aqua Park. Perfect. It works really well too. It's going to be freezing cold, but sometimes you just got to do it. Like I said, I might set up some scenery views over here. We're going to be cooking gourmet hamburgers tonight, breakfast burgers tomorrow, get the fire going, happy days. I don't know what the rain's going to do. I think it's subsiding a little bit. I don't think it's going to be much more. That doesn't even really make any sense, but I just don't think there's much more rain coming, put it that way. So we're going to chill. I'm going to have a few beers, tidy up some bits and pieces, and then I'll put it on when we get this fire going and have a look down at this water. See, they reckon there's platypuses down here, so I don't know about that, but we'll have a look. There's a lot of wildlife, I'll tell you that much. So Hank will be in his element. So stay tuned. Out here, we've walked only a little while from the camping spot. Perfect scenery. Hank here, he's been trying to get to me. We're going to try to get him to come over. Hank, come on. Let's see. The loyalty test. Come on, big boy. You coming? Come on. You'll be right. Come on. Oh, you almost went. Hank, come on. Might have to help him. You're just swimming in the water. Come on. Hank, let's go. Oh, good boy. Come on. He's very unsure. I don't want to make him feel uncomfortable. You having a swim, mate? I bathed you this morning. That's it. He's slipping all over the rocks. I actually nearly fell all over the rocks, so I don't blame him. I'm going to set this up here. Not bad to have a beer at this view. Don't fall in. We're going to walk. I'm going to try and see if I can get over here for you, but it's a bit treacherous, so we're going to try. Take Henko, see how we go. It's a big ditch down there. I don't really want to walk him through there, but we'll see how we go. Bear with us. Divots down where we think we can have a bit of a go, but look at all this here. Must have been some major flooding or something. All these trees have been knocked down. Big holes in the ground from the trees being knocked out. So I don't know if that was, we had floods here or back where I live a couple of months ago now. I don't know if that's what that was from or what, but someone's knocked down, done some serious damage. So we are trekking down. The missus is a bit sketchy. So we think we should be right. Yeah, look at all that. Good, Hank? Let's go. To be honest with you, it looks like someone's already trekked through here. Oh. Make it. Perfect. Let's see what we got down here. Lead the way, Henko. You alright, mate? Now I'll be the guinea pig. That way if something happens to me. Ooh, they're slippery. We're definitely going to be able to get across there. That's a good sign. Let's go. Look at that. These ones aren't too bad. Not even your game, Hank. They're all the way out there. Surely not. Let's go. That was worth it. So that's where we're at over there. We were going to bring the paddleboard. I sort of wish we did now. Now if I was really game, you could possibly see me getting there, but I'll tell you what, it's actually surprising. It's got a bit of rip to it here. Alright. That trip is done. I might head back over to those two and Hank and chill out with them for a bit. We're just looking at all the damage the floods have done. Look at all the trees stacked up over here. They're everywhere. They're all knocked down either side, and it goes on for hundreds of meters. So whatever happened here, it was pretty decent. So I don't know how high the water gets up here when it floods around our area, but it must go up a fair way. But definitely done some damage. It's like everywhere. They've like stacked them there, or the water's pushed it there. So it just started to rain again, unfortunately. I don't care about it, I'm happy with it. We'll have to get the fire going. And yeah, I've got a bit of black plastic over the timber right now, so see how it goes. But we're just waiting for a bit of a break, and we're going to crank that fire on very quick and very fast. So stay tuned for that. Alright, the rain has stopped for now, but there could be more. I'm just going to try and get this fire going now before it's too late. So... So, we have finally got the fire going. Took a while to heat up, but as you can see, it's definitely on. So, we've got about an hour of burning before it gets really hot. Then we can start looking at boiling some water and cleaning some things. But I'm very happy that it didn't rain, put it that way, because I think we would have been in trouble. So, I'm just going to let that fire burn for a bit. I'm drying some of those wetter logs around it. Tank's getting nice and close. But we should be on in the next hour, I reckon, to be roaring. Happy days. So the fire is cranking, finally. It took a little bit longer than an hour, I'm not going to lie. But we are there. Let's go. Just started cooking up Hank's dinner. Hang on, let me get the light on. Yeah. Hank's having snags tonight for dinner. So I'm going to cook his dinner up first. And then we're going to cook ours up. So we're going to make sure we feed Hank first though. Couple of snags. A couple of hot dogs for the hot dog. No pun intended. Yeah, alright, Hank's dinner is finally up. So he gets a gourmet dinner tonight. He gets snags. We'll break them up for him on here. He's going to be in his element. Alright, that's Hank's dinner for the night. Happy days. Now, where is Master? Hanko, dinner. Hey, come on. Get that up, mate. Get that up, you lad. Enjoy. You can eat. It's all good. I'm not going to make you sit this time. We're away camping. Alright, beautiful. Bah. And they get down here so I don't have to stuff around. So we're doing gourmet burgers. I'm going to cut up some sun-dried tomatoes, jalapenos, onion, tomato, put it all in the mince, put it all in the patty. Bit of cheese, bacon, maybe an egg, and yeah, that's a bit of garlic too. Can't forget that. That's how I'm going to get the burgers going, and they're absolutely beautiful. So I do them all the time. A little trick. So make sure you guys pay attention, otherwise that's the way it's going. No, all good. But I'm going to start chopping everything up, getting them ready to go because it's getting on. The fire's cranking now, and perfect time to do so. So yeah, enjoy all. Yeah, no, I don't care, eh? fancy. Bang. Now we're going to make these pretty hefty because we've got all the ingredients inside it, so give it a nice little whoo! And that's done. Now we got bacon, an egg, which we'll put on top, and some cheese, but because I've put everything inside it, I mean, you don't really need to go over the top with it, to be honest with you, with all like the, unless you want to eat salads and all that kind of stuff, but normally we'd do that, but on a brioche bun, we will leave it. So I'm going to get the barbie on, get it cooking, clean up a little bit, and yeah, you'll see the next stages of Gordon Ramsay stuff, boys. So leave it with me. Alright guys, so it's done. That's the gourmet burgers there. Cooked up. A little bit of smoky barbecue sauce right in the center there. Oh. And that's super easy too, just so you know. No mucking around with cooking up multiple things. Can't complain at all. That's one for my lady. And yeah, I'll rip into this one, the big boy, just so you can see what the go is. Let me get some serviettes because it's going to be messy. Alright. Medium. Perfect. I'm going to get back to the fire. I'll do some more videos throughout the night. The night sky is absolutely beaming with stars. Probably the most I've seen in a couple of years, so we're going to do a video of that as well. And yeah, stay tuned for it. And tomorrow morning we're cooking big brekkie burgers. And then we're out of here. It's just a quick trip away this time around, so I appreciate you guys watching, and yeah, stay tuned. But great camping video for a cooking video, sorry, for just a cheap, easy burger. Super simple, a one-off cook up. Got a bit of spice to it too if you like spicy food. So happy days. Like I said, I showed you the stuff I use. Super simple. the fire. We had to redo the fire a couple of times last night, which was fine. I think it was 2 or 3 times. But we're gonna get coffees going and then breakfast, and then we're gonna have to look at start packing up. Very similar day to yesterday. Very cloudy. There's no service down here, so we don't really know what it's gonna do, to be honest with you. So we're just gonna give it a crack of just cruising along, and if it rains, it rains. Well, I don't really care. I'll just dry everything at home, but if we can avoid the rain, the best. Hank was sleeping in the swag, but he was non-stop breathing like he was panting. He was gonna friggin' heat exhaust, so we got him out, and it was super warm last night too, so not complaining. So we're gonna get coffees going and then look at getting breakfast going. There we go. We'll just chuck this bad boy on like that. And pretty much when that thing goes all red up to the top, it's boiled. You can always hear it too. And once it boils, you just pour your cups in and it's easy. You can do it so many times. Like I said, it's super easy to use. Right by the fire, no big kettle, you don't need power. So, and we have a couple of these canisters, but we've had one that's lasted us like 2 or 3 years. And we go camping a fair bit, so. It has an attachment where you can put like a saucepan and cook on it, which I did for that fishing video that we went away with, the last one that I posted. So super handy. I'll recommend getting one. we're all packed up, ready to go. Just a quick little trip this time around. It's getting super cloudy out this way, but it's clearing up over here, so who knows what was going to happen. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Something a bit different. I know I like to do a lot of beach fishing and stuff, that's my thing, but I thought enjoying some of the countryside. That's the Macquarie River, for anyone who's interested in knowing. It's a great little spot here, to be honest with you. If it was a bit hotter or we were here a bit longer, I probably would have went for a swim and got the paddle board out. I don't know if I already said that or not, but yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for another video, probably in another week or two. Appreciate you guys watching and subscribing, so get amongst it, boys. Cheers.